Hello people, it's me, Cameron the Keeper here, and today I have another unboxing from lighttake.com. Let's get into this. Alright. Now then, this package is just one cube, but it's one cube that I really wanted because my other one went missing, and that is the KungFu 2x2. It comes in this really nice packaging that is thoroughly enjoyable. So let's just get right into the box. Before buying this, I kind of asked around quite a lot which people preferred the KungFu 2x2 or the Yushin White, and I only got KungFu 2x2 as a response until I watched a video yesterday, but yeah. So let's get right into this. Come on. Oh, it's a bit greasy right now. Hold up. First turns. Huh. Not half bad. Bit sandy and scratchy right now, but at the same time, it's pretty decently smooth. It's breaking in already, so pretty sure my Guan post tensions were like this. However, it is currently missing, but it could also corner cut anywhere, and this one I don't think can. Where's the limits to its reverse? There it is. Okay. Anyways, let's just do a solve. Now, it has been a good minute since I practiced 2x2, but yeah. It's actually a pretty nice 2x2. I actually quite enjoy this. Okay. Why did I just do that? There we go. Honestly, I swear, man, just looking at a black cube and a stickerless cube, you kind of expect them to have two different feels. Yeah, just looking at a stickerless cube and a black cube, you kind of expect them to have two different feels. In most of the videos that I see with this, it's stickerless. Did I say black and white before? Yeah, I said black and white. I meant black and stickerless. You expect them to have two different feels because they just look like they would have two different feels. And I've been seeing it all in like stickerless, so I did not expect it to feel anything like this. Huh. A lot of that sandy feel has already gone away. Here's the sticker shades. Just classic Moyu. Yeah. On lighttick.com, both the KungFu 2x2 and the Yushin White 2x2 are $5. So I had to ask around quite a bit. Actually, the Yushin White is $5.05, pardon me. Yeah, I had to ask around quite a bit. And like everybody that asked said KungFu. Until, like I said yesterday, whenever somebody said the Yushin White was their main. Which is very unusual to hear. However, 2x2 is like my favorite event, so I forgot to put up the knife. 2x2 is like my favorite event, so kind of sucked whenever my Guanpo went missing. What did I just do? Oh. I didn't even realize that. There's a bit of flash on this that I need to sand away at. Yeah. I guess I didn't realize that the edges had some flash on it. Well, anyways, people, I hope you enjoyed that video. I'll definitely be back with a review for this. And I also need to show off a bunch of other cubes that you guys have yet to see of mine. It's sad that I've yet to make videos on them, but whatevs. I'll just make reviews on all of them. But yeah, sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I've kind of been sort of grounded from like all of my cubes. But yeah. Anyways, people, if you enjoy the video, please leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you're into gaming and stuff like that, feel free to check out my other channel. Will be in the description. Camera the Ninja. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.